Sorry guys, this is going to be a part 2.
You gotta hold it up. You can't see anything.
Yeah, this is going to be a part 2 because I accidentally quit the video. So part 2.
So what we have in here now is glue and water. Stirring it up.
Stir it up.
Okay, and if you want to add color, pour it in now. So how many? Let's put in a couple drops.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try 4 first. Doesn't work.
Looks like.
I'm gonna add more.
Ooh, look at that. That's a pretty color.
That doesn't really put me on though.
Looks like dish soap.
Stir. Here's the camera.
I'm not trying it.
It's not that gooey. Stir it. And then why am I
Okay, let's see what the instructions say now.
This is.
Okay, so now we add 1/4 cup.
This thing is blue.
Now we add 1/4 cup of borax, which is that. And then when you add that in,
This thing is blue.
we gotta stir it slowly, but it's gonna start forming immediately. Okay, so you stir that, and I'll pour it in. So stir. Keep stirring.
We keep stirring.
Keep stirring. Get it all mixed in. Pick it up and flip it over with the stick. There you go. But don't slap it. Let me see. Oh, look at that. It's turning into like some serious slime here. Okay, now we're going to have to start. Put that in. Mix it up good. Because now, after we get it all mixed in here. Here, hold this.
Okay. Camera.
After we get it all mixed in there, now we have to start squishing it with our hands. Okay. So it looks weird now.
Can you try mixing?
Hold it. Hold the camera. So this is what the instructions say to do, but I don't know if it's going to be the right kind of slime because it looks like real crumbly. Maybe it needs a little bit more water.
Yeah, that does not look like slime.
It's really crumbly. Let's add a little bit more water.
I don't feel it. Oh, that feels so weird. It feels like the thing that I used to have, like the fart slime thing.
This was adding a little bit more water. You can't even see it.
Yes, you can. Here is the slime.
It doesn't really seem like it's doing the slime thing. Now it's just more like squishy. It doesn't really feel like slime.
Comment stuff down below if this is what it's supposed to do, because we don't know.
I'm squishing it together.
We don't know.
Maybe this needs to be squished a lot. Can't see nothing.
Because of your arm. Oh, I
don't know. Does this seem like slime yet? Maybe it was too much borax. So we should try it again. Okay, so this is our first attempt. Look where you're aiming your camera.
Oh.
This is the first attempt of our slime.
Thank you, actually tired.
So I think we should try it again. Maybe with a little less borax.
Can I feel it?
You want to feel it?
Yeah, I wonder what it feels like. Can I please feel it? Okay. Put it down. No. What the? What the? Oh my god. I need to wash my hands. Be right back. I just need to wash my hands.
See, when you put the camera face down, so then it can't even see. I don't know, is this slime yet?
No, let's just grab this.
I think it still needs more water.
I'm back. Back in business.
It's kind of still. It's not very stretchy, really. Well, I guess maybe it is a little stretchy.
It kind of looks like wet kinetic sand.
Well, maybe it just needs to sit. Let's try this out.
Yeah, I don't know how to fast forward. I'm not really a big YouTube expert, so I don't know how to fast forward.
Well, how's that for your first attempt at slime? You're not a very good camera person.
Yeah, nah.
You're not a very good camera person.
Because I'm holding it with one hand. That's why I need a GoPro so much.
I know, actually, this doesn't seem too bad. Look, try it out now. Like, once you let it sit there for a little bit, stick it back together and let it sit there for a little bit and see how it goes. So you should pause your video.
It gets too...
Okay, you'll come back to it and record it and see how it is.
Oh, wait. It gets too, like...